Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Day number 8 and I cannot wait. Sorry about my rhyming. Alright, let's find door number 8 and I found it. Here it is. And oh, this is what we get. I can see like a little snowboard in there. Let's open it up and see how many pieces. There we are. Let's build this. It looks like it's going to be a little pile of snow. So here in Australia, this would melt instantly since it's been like 35 degrees so far for us. Here's our little pile and I'll pop that little snowball on top. And I thought, why doesn't little Olivia try out the snowboard? So stack hat on and let's go snowboarding and let's get your hair out of the way there. And oh, my cat's having a sniff. Don't leave a yellow patch on the snow. And he's decided to jump all over Stephanie. Day number 8 and I couldn't wait. Oh, day number 9 already. Not many sleeps to go to the big day. See you tomorrow, everyone.